Hello everybody, this is Tanya at Side Gig Crafts. Today I have a possibly ginormous AliExpress to share with you. I say possibly, but I mean, yeah, it is huge. So I've got a haul, you guys. I was not behaving. I got some beautiful things and I'm so very excited. First, I'm going to start with the package I've already opened because it came a couple days ago. I got some lace. I think there's some lace in this other package that came today as well, but I can't remember exactly. So there's going to be a bunch of beautiful stuff. So I'm so excited to share. I'm so excited to go through it. So I ordered a bunch of these things with lots of projects in mind, honestly, but they are flippin' gorgeous. Look at this lace. Look at this lace. I probably won't be able to put the links below, but I'll try to get the shop names for you guys. Look at this beautiful. It's peach and gold and white. This one is for a journal I'm working on for someone special. So that one's gorgeous. I got this beautiful ruffle. I thought this would be pretty for details on anything really, but I thought it would be beautiful for details on projects like cards and stuff. I just loved how dainty and soft this is, and it's just adorable. I love it. So yeah, it's super soft, super cute. I got, look at this. I know I've got lots of bead lovers around. Look at this beautiful, beautiful trim with all the beads sewn on. These were really inexpensive. These are all from AliExpress. It's got some netting mesh on the sides. Not sure what I'm doing with this one yet, but it was so beautiful and the price was right. I think it's only, there's 12. It's 2 feet, so it's 24 inches. It's just gorgeous. I love all the different beads. So pretty. And then I love this one too. I think I ordered this one a second time. This might be in this bag as well. Or maybe I just ordered 2 of them because no, that's just the other end. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. It's almost like eyelash trim that we use sewn into there. It's really pretty. And there it's got a gold thread in the middle. Love that one. I got this gorgeousness. These flowers are almost, they're almost, I don't know what they are. Oops, this one's missing a bead. They're really soft. It's almost like a fake suede or something. But yeah, super pretty. I love the little pearls on there. Didn't get very much of that one. That one's almost 2 feet, I guess. It was probably, I know sometimes the lace, when you order it from AliExpress, they count the design. So they would count, they would say times 10, and it would be like this flower to flower. So this section to this section to this section, and they would count so many. So sometimes you order that way, which is fine. You just got to look at it and know what to expect if you can remember by the time you get it. But sometimes I've made that mistake and gone back and like, oh, that's right. Okay, that is what I paid for. So I love these flowers too. I think that I can cut these apart or use them as a trim. I think I'll use some of these in the shabby chic box that I just made. So which is done, you guys. It's done. I just need to fill it. I need a couple more things to add in it so that they don't shake around in postage. Love, love, love this trim. It's got the little beads, but then it's got little like clear, maybe silver spacer beads in between. Super pretty. Be great for borders or even sewn into a project would be really easy to use. So that one's really cute. And I got the hearts in green. These were supposed to be for my for my pastel Christmas swap, but I already did that swap and here it is. So like I said, sometimes it just takes too long and I can't wait around. So got some more pastel green. I love this. with the little flowers. And then I got the same one in pink. And I'm gonna have a good collection, aren't I? Look at this one. I really like the beads on this one. It's just a little, like a cabochon that's glued on there. Really pretty. I like this color too. And then I got these. These are all the same design, but different colors. Again, I was planning on ooh, this is so soft. This feels like a cotton thread. Really, really soft. This was supposed to be part of that pastel Christmas too, but yeah. So now I have some beautiful, beautiful trim. So I got yellow, and I got, I think this is this baby blue. I'm not sure if this is baby blue or mint. My eyes are playing tricks on me right now, but I think it's blue. And then this beautiful pink, and they're all so soft. Isn't that beautiful? And you can use it as it is or trim it and use just like a half. Gorgeous. So I got quite a bit of that. Those will go with those pom-poms I bought recently too. All the bazillion pom-poms. If anybody needs pom-poms, go to my Etsy shop. I'm sharing. I got 20 yards of each times 4 colors. That's 80 yards of pom-pom in that one shopping trip. Didn't mean to do that, but I did. So I am sharing. There'll be lots of pom-pom and Happy Meal bags. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, that one's gonna be last because it's the biggest. So we'll set that one aside. I got all the scissors all right here. All right, they definitely combined my purchases from the shops. I think most of these are fabrics. I hope I don't cut into them. Most of these are fabrics, if not all of them, or I mean laces and lace and trim. All right, that was all that was in it. This almost looks like the same one, doesn't it? Is it the same? I wonder if I ordered that twice. Or it's a different color. This one's more peach, this one's more pink. I don't think I intended to do that. Or did I? Let's see this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely the same, but the colors are different. This one's peach and this one's pink. They're beautiful. They are beautiful. I may have intended to do that. I think that I was aiming for a particular color for a particular project, and I wasn't sure which one to get. I think I did that on purpose. And let's see. I can feel something in there. I don't want to snip there. I know I also ordered some sequins, so I want to be careful not to get the packages wrong. I don't know if they're in this order or not, since this was combined. But none of this stuff said that it was delivered yet, so I don't know what's here and what's not. What's this? I love the color on this one. Oh, look at that. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. You guys see it? Hopefully. This gorgeous color. I really love that. So very pretty. And it's got the trim on this side too. So even if I just cut the flowers and use the bottom part, I can use this part too for something else. So that's gorgeous. There's quite a bit there too. Nice. I'm not gonna have to order any trim for a while, at least not in the pastel colors. I think we're gonna have some surprises in this big old package though. I ordered some really cool applique pieces. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Take this off. Look at that. Ooh, I like it. Look at the color. It's a brown or gold. It's beautiful. Yep, 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 yep. I love that. It's so pretty. It's unique. I've not seen one like that before. Beautiful. Exciting. Exciting. Here I'm trying not to spend money, and look what I did. Oh, these are not lace. Here we go. Here's some sequins. Here we go. There is that order. So I've got, let's see, what do we have here? We've got some purple. Those are cute. And we've got some lavender or lilac. They're very different. These are more metallic. And what is this? What is that? Oh, I know what they are. They're bunny heads. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I thought that they were... I was looking at them, I'm like, oh, this is bad. This is really bad. I thought it was a tooth, you guys. Look at this. But now I remember I ordered bunny heads. Let me see if you can see that in my camera. Can you see it? Where is my hand? Where are you? Ooh, there you are. I'm trying my camera different this today, so I'm kind of lost. It's a bunny head, and they were flipped this way. And I thought they were little teeth. They're bunny heads. Cute. Hopefully everybody will recognize their bunny heads. That'll be a good Easter little guy. All right, I'm trying to figure out where I'm supposed to be holding things because I thought I was in frame and now I'm wondering. And then I got these green squares. Those are really pretty. Love that color. And some yellow. What are these? Butterflies are itty bitty 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 butterflies. Can you see them? Cute. And some blue. I must have gotten these for spring or for Easter. Heck, for all I know, I ordered them last spring or Easter. The mail has been so slow that my AliExpress orders are taking forever. I didn't order it last spring, you guys. I'm just kidding. I ordered it in August, but it just feels like forever. Oh, I've been waiting for this one too. I love this. I'm hoping it doesn't look like poison ivy. Look how gorgeous this is. It was really beautiful in the picture. And I'm not disappointed. It's really soft. Really, really soft. Oh, there's two of them. Beautiful. Wouldn't this be pretty with like strawberries or something on it? Love that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, what else we got? What else we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Look at that. That's beautiful, too. I am not disappointed at all. Ooh, what's this one? Yep, I remember that. Look how pretty that is with the gold trim. There's two pieces. Sorry, you guys. Again, I'm trying to figure out where to aim this thing because this is a different angle for me today. Try something different. I got to get my camera right because I'm struggling with my well, I use my phone and then I found a editing program, and you guys have probably seen some differences in my videos. I'm trying to get it so that they're easy to watch, but I know when things are badly edited, I have a hard time watching too, so I'm really trying to do this for you and get it right. I love that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's kind of a blue-gray. Isn't that pretty? It's got all the sparkle in there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I got it again in this peach, which is interesting. Oh, it is different. Oh, here it is in peach. I was gonna say it's really heavy versus that other one. So I got these two colors, and then I got this one, which isn't as beaded. It doesn't have all the beads around it, as you can see. It's very different. Very pretty, very different. It's really light too. And then it looks like, did I already do this one? They sent me another gold and white one. I probably ordered it and didn't mean to. And then look at this one. I absolutely love this piece. Look at all the color. The gray. Michelle, I know it's not color, Isn't it beautiful? I'm a little disappointed it's missing some pearls right there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Some more. Aren't these amazing, you guys? I had so much fun. Yep, there's the other one. I knew I got 2 of them. I got 2. I knew that. Looks like nope. Well, nope. This one's different. It's got the same cabochon on there, but it's different flowers. They pretty? Interesting too. Look, this one's shiny. This one's muted. This one's shiny. This one's muted. So it's almost like, nope, that's shiny, shiny, muted. So they're a little bit different. Pretty, pretty. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Beautiful pink. Yes, ma'am. Pastel. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. I know right now that my swap partner, they've got the Christmas, pastel Christmas stuff, would probably be eating her heart out if she saw all this. I did send her some beautiful, beautiful laces though, so. But these were supposed to be for that. And now I have all this pastel lace. I'm like, But I'm going to do my Christmas in pastel now. So it'll be just fine. I got 2 pieces in this one, you guys. I thought these were really different, especially for me. Look at that, pink and blue and gold. Not too sure about this one because it's really different for me. Look, it's missing pearls again. Darn it. I'm gonna have to steal pearls from another spot or something, or take that. Well, I'll have to use that piece separate. I can take that pearl out and put some different ones in there. Something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. For the price I paid for it, I'm not too worried about it. Look at this stunner. I thought this would be gorgeous for a project for Christmas or for Halloween if I did Halloween. Look at this deep, deep green in here. Love it. Love, love, love the colors in this one. Isn't that beautiful? I love how that one came in. It's gorgeous. That's my favorite so far, I think. All right, so here we go. I think I know what's in this one. And if I'm correct, these pieces are, fingers crossed, amazing. And I could not believe, nope, not what I thought. Never mind. I think I just got 80 yards of pom-pom trim again. Yes, I did. Why, yes, I did. I got some more colors of pom-pom trim, which I'm not mad about either. So I think some of my orders are still out there then, because I didn't get some of the pieces I thought I was going to get. Okay. Look at that. Oh, they're damp. Okay, so I got black pom-pom trim, red for Christmas, green for Christmas, white for Christmas, see all the Christmas, and super bright neon pink, because who doesn't need some neon pink in their life? So I've got 20 yards of each of these, you guys. I'm going to be posting these suckers on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in landing yourself some pom-pom trim, it's really pretty. Great for crafts and stuff, or for sewing. I will have these available in my Etsy. So that is it for my shop today, my AliExpress haul. I hope you guys liked it. I'll try to put my the shops that I got the lace from. Like I said, they got amazing prices, and the quality is pretty good. I mean, there are a few flaws here and there, but really, the quality is pretty good, especially for the price. So I don't see anything like the bead situation. Like, these aren't centered. I can pop those off and put them back if I needed to. Not sure I'm worried about it. This one's a little bit off. Again, not sure I'm worried about it. I don't think there's, oh, they are tacked on. But they're gorgeous. They're really, really beautiful. So I'll put my favorite shops in there, and you can go snoop around and see if you can find anything you love. And for now, just want to thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. And until the next one, I hope you guys have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.